Executive Director of the Chilean International Cooperation Agency for Development, ACSED, Vice Minister of Trade, Undersecretariat of International Economic Affairs, SUBRE of the Republic of Chile, Excellency the Ambassador of the Republic of Chile to Thailand, Executive Director of Mekong Institute, distinguished participants and colleagues from Chile and ASEAN member countries. Today, we have concluded our two-week workshop on trade policy for ASEAN members, jointly organized by Thailand and Chile. I am pleased with the report that it has been done with active participation by all concerned. I wish to express TICA's appreciation to our partners, ACSED, SUBRE, and Mekong Institute, as well as participants from the ASEAN countries and panelists from both Chile and Thailand, who have contributed greatly to the workshop's success. I strongly hope that you all will be able to fully take advantage of what you have learned and practically adapt to your individual context. Please allow me to highlight some key takeaways from this workshop. First, we noted the importance of adopting innovation and upgraded technologies in Chile's approach to access international markets. This is evident in the impressive developments of Chilean wine, salmon, and cherry industries. The Chile's opening trade strategy also significantly explains a wide range of its trade networks across the continents and forms, be it unilateral, bilateral, or multilateral. Second, the efforts of the implementation of inclusive trade policies are notable in the Chilean experience. This has shown to be a pathway for incorporating the role and economic benefits of the disadvantaged groups in the society in order to further support the country's overall economic well-being. Last but not least, digital trade has been and increasingly become fundamental in economic integration and transactions. Yet challenges such as regulatory barriers and technology constraints remain to be addressed nationally and internationally among trading partners. In this regard, I am convinced that you all have gained inside information and tangible perspectives useful for your professional assignment. In the years ahead, you could be one of our resource experts for a similar workshop or for further cooperation. Excellencies, distinguished participants, as for TICA, it has been a great pleasure working with you all in fostering intra- and inter-regional cooperation. I am confident that our cooperation today is a significant step towards more collaborations in the future. Thank you very much once again for your participation and contributions. Please stay safe and healthy. สวัสดีค่ะ